Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Concept 1B. This highly sought-after Tier 9 American heavy tank is a fantastic addition to any garage, known for its strong turret and excellent gun. Obtaining it involves a clear path through competitive play, requiring dedication and strategic gameplay. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to add this powerful machine to your collection. Your journey to the Concept 1B begins with mastering ranked battles. These competitive seasons are where you'll earn the necessary currency. Focus on consistent performance, contributing significantly to your team's victories. Climbing through the divisions not only brings you closer to your goal, but also hones your skills, preparing you for the challenges ahead in World of Tanks. Bonds are the key currency for acquiring the Concept 1B. You'll need to accumulate around 20,000 of them. While ranked battles are the primary source, remember to complete daily missions and participate in special events, as these can also reward you with valuable bonds. Save your bonds diligently, as this tank is a significant investment for your World of Tanks experience. With your bonds saved and your division achieved, it's time to claim your reward. Head to the in-game bond shop, usually accessible through the main garage interface. There, you can exchange your hard-earned 20,000 bonds for the Concept 1B. This tank offers excellent hull-down capabilities with its strong turret and 10 degrees of gun depression, making it a formidable force on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.